Watching as if the roads get a little wet or moist and the temperatures drop rapidly to freezing. There could be icy patches around with some of those snow showers, so we'll certainly watch it. Big changes are on the way, though. You'd never know we were up to 46 degrees for the high temperature today at BWI Marshall right around 3 o'clock. So just a couple hours ago, 46 degrees and some sun was out. Now the snow showers are moving in and big changes are settling into our area. Low so far today, 22. The front that's bringing the changes, it's slicing just to the west of us now, about to get through the Hagerstown area, approaching Frederick, and will sweep through Baltimore here in the next couple of hours. Behind it, notice the cold. It's only 20 in Cincinnati and 9 degrees right now in Chicago. Single-digit cold there. 6 below zero up on the Canadian border at International Falls. So that shot of cold air sweeping across the mountains is what's triggering the rain and snow showers in our area. And with this low pressure system tracking toward New England and high pressure filling in quickly behind it, between the two you get some strong northwest winds, and we'll feel that overnight. We'll get buffeted by these strong winds, which will drag the cold right into the mid-Atlantic region. It's still 51 degrees at Norfolk, but only 19 now at Oakland, 18 up at Cleveland. So huge temperature contrast with that front cutting across our area, and that generates the strong wind speeds that we see. These are some of the peak wind gusts, gusting to 49 miles an hour down at Roanoke, Virginia, a gust to 37 at Pittsburgh, gusting over 30 miles an hour up along the Appalachian Mountains as well. So expect wind and cold, and maybe, as we've seen on our cameras and from our live shots around the region, some snow showers that maybe will coat the ground in a few spots, especially north of Baltimore tonight as the temperatures continue to drop. We may get a light coating of snow. Had some reports around Stewartstown of some pretty heavy snow up there, so maybe a dusting to half an inch in some spots, certainly possible north and west. And all of this is going to continue to track rapidly to the east. Now these lighter shaded areas here are under wind advisories until midnight. Gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour possible, but even if we don't reach those peak wind gusts, it's going to be quite breezy overnight. And then winter weather advisories in the far western parts of the state. Snow showers then along the I-95 corridor through 7 as the front makes its way through. Then it all pushes off the coast by about 9 o'clock. Skies will be clearing here. The snow will continue to fall in the mountains to our west overnight, but we'll see clearing skies, windy and much colder. Tomorrow should be a nice sunny day. A few clouds may return with even a flurry in the area Thursday as some warmer air tries to return. But the emphasis tonight and tomorrow, wind and cold. 17 to 24 overnight. Snow showers move out, skies turn clear, winds gust to 35, 40 miles an hour or higher at times. 27 to 32 tomorrow with a sunny sky, and those west winds still quite breezy. Sun up at 7:26. Out on the bay, it's a small craft advisory for gusts to 25 knots tomorrow. 3-foot waves on the open waters of the bay. 7-day forecast for Baltimore, a 29-degree day tomorrow. Probably stay below 30 in most areas, and it'll still be quite breezy too, so a bit of a wind chill to factor in. Thursday, warmer air is going to try to return. 19 in the morning, maybe a flurry in a few spots, then the front comes in. 43 in the afternoon, 47 Friday. Rain is likely Friday night, Saturday morning as we hit 50 degrees, and then another strong Arctic front with a chance for a snow shower Sunday, and highs back down in the 20s by Monday again of next week.
All right, Tom, thank you.